I personally don't consume a lot of content anymore. The whole other conversation. But there was a very nice Netflix show I saw recently.
Which is?
It's called The Ed Gein Story. Monster, The Ed Gein Story.
I've seen it while surfing Netflix, but I haven't seen the docu.
So
It's a documentary, right?
it's a fiction,
Acha, okay. Fiction.
fictionalized reality, like very similar to
Fictionalized version of a crime that took place
fictionalized version of a serial killer.
of a serial killer, yeah, of a criminal. Okay.
So it shows his steady progression as a serial killer. But the reason I liked it is because they also trying to explain that this guy was so morbid that his morbidity affected cinema in the 20-30 years that followed. So they cut away to show Alfred Hitchcock being inspired by him. Then the Texas Chainsaw Massacre suddenly being inspired by the same guy. And then they also show his life.
Okay.
So the movie Psycho, you know that?
Yeah, of course. The iconic film.
That's based on Ed Gein. And they're trying to show what constructed Ed Gein's mind. Little fictionalized, little masaledar, but very well done show and very morbid. Matlab, the trailer of the show has him cutting up someone's face and placing that face on his own face as a mask.
Wow.
So just very morbid man, and the whole show is about an exploration about his mind and how he affected cinema unknowingly. The weirder thing is when he got caught, they put him through a lie detector test, and he actually believed that he hadn't killed any of the people he had killed. He was acting through a place of psychosis. Didn't know that he was a serial killer.
It's crazy, right? Like human potential is unimaginable, nahi?
Yeah. And that's not a spoiler alert. I recommend at least, I think there's 8 episodes, at least watch 5 or 6.
Okay.
Just
I will try watching it.
yeah, it's anthropology
I
related.
will try watching it. Yeah, it's interesting.
आपने सबसे डार्क चीज क्या देखी है लाइफ में? हॉरर या
हॉरर तो मैं देखता ही नहीं हूँ.
रियली?
बिल्कुल नहीं. Because
Why not?
It just unsettles me. And I don't like anything that unsettles my rhythm.
It unsettles you.
हाँ, because डर लगता है यार. तो आज अभी तो नहीं लगता, because I've never seen, like back in the day, my wife and a couple of my friends, they would love watching horror movies. And I just would be like कि कैसे, मतलब मुझे roller coasters, मुझे sky diving, bungee jumping, मुझे ये adrenaline pumping चीज़ें मुझे अजीब लगती हैं. It just does not suit me. Anything that upsets my natural rhythm, I'm like क्यों, by choice क्यों करूँ मैं?
स्कूबा वूबा करोगे लाइफ में?
कुछ नहीं. मैं धरती पे ही ठीक हूँ. पैर ज़मीन पे ही रहें तो बेहतर है सर. किसी कारण हम ज़मीन पे रहते हैं. जो पानी में है, जो आसमान में, उन सब अपनी अपनी जगह किसी कारण है. उनको अपनी जगह पे रहने दो.
कुछ ऐसी क्रेजी चीज की है लाइफ में?
नहीं, I've done bungee and this and that, but after doing that, I realized why did I go through that? Why did I go through it?
How did bungee feel?
Felt good. I did that years ago.
Where did you do?
In Goa.
In Goa?
In Goa. Years ago when I was 18, 19, I did that. And I was coaxed into it by my friends. And peer pressure में आके मैंने कर दिया. फिर उसके बाद जब मेरी बैक पे झटका लगा, मैंने उनको बहुत गालियाँ दी.
Oof, like you got hurt?
नहीं, hurt तो नहीं, मतलब एक थोड़ा सा snap होता है जो नीचे जाके हल्का सा. जब वो कैटapult होते हो, आप वापस आते हो, तो या.
अब तब मौत के बारे में सोच रहे थे?
हाँ, I think I was. या मैं रोलर कोस्टर पे मैं सोचता हूँ कि यार
फाइनल डेस्टिनेशन अगर
हाँ, what if फाइनल डेस्टिनेशन had a crazy impact on me यार. मैं आज भी जब हाईवे पे गाड़ी चला रहा होता हूँ, मैं देखता हूँ अगर वो सलिए निकले होते हैं, मैं उससे बहुत दूर अपनी गाड़ी कर लेता हूँ, कि कोई गारंटी नहीं है किसी चीज़ की. नहीं, बट फाइनल डेस्टिनेशन हैज हैड एन इम्पैक्ट ऑन मी, बॉस. एंड इट स्टिल कंटिन्यूज टू बी दैट वे.
all of us,
All
millennials
of us,
and Gen Z.
yes, all of us.
No?
I mean, even the new one's done so well,
Yeah.
right? I think it's made a lot of money.
Yeah. I do believe that death is an energy. So I think in Final Destination they've just demonized death too much. It's not that demonic, but death is an energy.
But I think that worked for them, right? I mean, people also want to watch, right? We have this, all of us have that quality, like voyeuristic viewing की. क्या हो रहा है, right? All of us have it, right? इसलिए reality shows चलते हैं, इसलिए लोग देखते हैं. People want to see what the other people are doing in their bedrooms or in their private space. वो भी human trait ही है ना हमारे अंदर. हम झांक के देखते हैं. बचपन में हम भी करते थे.
Yeah.
ये क्या कर रहा है?
again, I don't watch Big Boss myself, and I've not watched Big Boss in years, but I totally understand why it's so popular.
Yeah, that's because they are actually catering to what we need. You know,
Voyeurism.
voyeuristic viewing है ये और क्या है? And I wouldn't name any show. I think most reality shows, you know, हमें अच्छा लगता है. शोज को छोड़ो यार, सड़क पे अगर कोई लड़ाई कर रहा होता है हम रुक के देखने
वो
लग जाते
ये
हैं.
सही लगता है मेरे को, ये बहुत सही लगता है. I live for that. My birth happened to be one of the guys who sees fights happening.
ये लड़ाई चलिए देखते हैं.
Yeah.
है वो ह्यूमन नेचर है वो. एंड आई थिंक दे आर सो मच मोर इंटेलिजेंट देन वी आर प्रोबेबली, लाइक द क्रिएटर्स ऑफ दीज शोज, दैट दे नो कि अच्छा ये ह्यूमन नीड है, ये रिक्वायरमेंट है, तो उसको भी यू नो maybe they know psychology, much human psychology more than most people do. इसीलिए ये shows चल रहे हैं.
Yeah, I don't see Big Boss ever going off air.
I don't think it will.
Right?
Yeah, and it's an international format actually.
Yeah.
If I'm not wrong, it's a Dutch original. ये official जो you know अब उसका शब्द नहीं मिल रहा मुझे, रीमेक बोल लो या जो भी है. I think it's a Dutch original. I might be wrong.